name is Max. Welcome to NoCodeNerd, episode 20. We're talking about Airtable today. This is going to be super easy for me because Airtable is a database tool. It's an amazing database tool, probably the best one on the internet. I haven't scrolled through all of them, but there are a few. But this makes it it's a beautiful. I was obsessed with Google Sheets for a while, but this is now like my thing. I love Airtable. This is a giant database list that I have compiled over a few months. That if you subscribe to my newsletter, the NoCodeNerd newsletter, which should be somewhere, the link should be somewhere, you will get this database. You will get access to this database in this format. It's going to look like this. So it allows me to show databases in card formats, in calendar formats, in Kanban formats, in gallery formats. This is a gallery format, and then I work off of the grid format. But this is a big compiled list of all the different no-code tools on the internet. I can tag them beautifully. I can include checkboxes. I can create buttons even. If you go over to here, you'll notice there are buttons for video intros and just the websites. It is an incredible, incredible tool. I'm obsessed with it, and you'll get to see exactly how it works and what it does if you subscribe to the newsletter. So, check it out. If you need to do like database products, this is the best kind of tool because you can very, very carefully control access to who has the database, how they copy information off of it, anything like that. So if you have a valuable set of data and you want to turn that into a product, Airtable is the best possible way to do that. It just makes it super, super smooth. You don't have to do any Excel files or Google Sheets or anything like that. Airtable is going to make it the best. And it beats Google Sheets in the sense that it has what is it? There's a term for it, but each of these rows, right? Like this row for Substack, which I did a video on, is a record, right? It's record-based databases. So that record is tied to everything else. And if you'll see over here, I have other content ideas that are tied on a secondary database, right? There's a secondary database, and it ties different databases and full records back to other records. And that's really, really nice if you have like different components or different databases that need to connect to each other in a nice way. It just makes it actually possible. You can't really do that kind of stuff on Google Sheets or Excel or most other kind of database formats. So that's Airtable. I adore this tool. If you are a spreadsheet nerd like me and you want to like automate the heck out of everything, check out Airtable. It's beautiful. Let me know if you have any questions on what you're capable of doing with this tool because there is a lot. Other than that, I'll see you in the next episode.